This is the definitive guide to solving your Forza Horizon 6 seasonal tunes profile sync issues. After personally struggling with these frustrating synchronization glitches myself and trying many different approaches, I've finally discovered several effective workarounds that I'm eager to share with you. The core of this problem often stems from corrupted temporary data or a miscommunication between your game client and the server. Our first method addresses this by restarting the game and verifying your files, which essentially refreshes the connection and corrects any minor data errors. The second approach focuses on your network, ensuring a stable internet connection by resetting settings and checking your router. This is vital because synchronization requires a clean data pathway. Method 3 looks at server-side issues and account verification, making sure everything on the game's end is active and your account details are accurate. Finally, the fourth method involves deeper system checks like clearing corrupt save data and resyncing cloud storage, which cleans up lingering issues that prevent your profile from updating correctly. By understanding these underlying mechanics, you can effectively fix Forza Horizon 6 seasonal tunes profile sync errors and enjoy the game without interruption.